Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Boys and girls, this weekend is Mother's Day. So we're going to design, this class today, we're going to design a beautiful card that we can present to our mummy. So let's get started, boys and girls. The first thing you need is to cut out a shape like this. It looks like a plant pot. And what you do, you take a paper, like a normal sheet of paper, and you fold it. You fold it in half, and then you cut the edges until you get the shape of a plant pot. So let me just do that very quickly. Okay, let's just move that out of the way. And we're going to do the same for the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Sorry, go ahead and do this. Make sure that it's like almost equal. A bit more up. And then we cut there like that, and that's a tiny plant pot. But this one, so what you do when you fold it, you make sure that this, like the T shape, it looks like a fat T, so the long line on the top is where you open, and then you bring it, taper it up to the crease or the fold, and that's where you're going to have your plant pot looking like that. And boys and girls, the other thing I want you to, so you can, when you've cut it out, you put it aside, all right? And what I want you to do now is to trace this handprint. I'll use this white paper. So trace this handprint on a green card. Like this. So you get a green card like this, and you just trace it out. You draw around your handprint. So this looks like a handprint. You cut around it, and when you cut around it, you will get something like this. And what I want you to do now is to create a card. So we're going to get our flower pot, we're going to open it up, and just on the tip of it we're going to put our little handprint like that, and then we're going to glue it on down like that. So let me zoom out a little bit. And you stick in your hand into the pot, and we're going to make it look like it's a cactus plant. So let's go ahead and glue it down. So we open up very softly, or try to do it as best we can without, and we just add the glue, dry stick glue, on one side like that. Okay, boys and girls, and then we're going to add the hand. So we'll have the hand just sticking out a little bit like that. We want the hand to look in the center, and then we try to close it anyway. Oops, close it down. Oops. Oh, it's not working. So let me add some glue on this side because it's not working for me. So I'll get that, glue it down like that. I think that's enough to show what I want. And and I glue it down, and then I go and I close it off. But I will need to add a little bit of glue on this side so that the other side will glue when I come to put it together, to close the pot then, so to speak. And so we're going to fold that down like that, and then we're going to, there, that's it. So we're going to try to make sure that there's no overlapping, and if there's any overlapping, you can just simply trim it off like that. So what I'm going to do, I can either have it this way or that way. Right, I think I like it this way though. So I just trim out that little excess white that's showing here, and then I'll get back to you. And now I'm going to add some googly eyes, which I have just here. So I'm going to add the googly eyes towards the center like that. I'm going to add it like that, and have a nice sort of like a half smile, which I think would look quite nice. So let me just add the glue to my so let's just add the glue. Let's hope that the glue didn't dry. Sometimes it happens that way because I left the glue open. Sometimes that happens. Let's hope it's not. So we're going to add glue to our eye. Oh, wonderful. So I didn't have to, it wasn't much of an effort. So I'm going to take the other eye and just put this one on top of each other so that they have, both of them will have some glue. Okay? And I'm just going to stick it down like that. And the other one, do the same thing. Oopsie, oopsie. And then I'm going to stick it down, and just any excess glue will be removed like that. Okay. So we're just going to leave that to dry now. And yeah, I think that's how I want it. Yeah, I think that's good. Like that. There's our little eyes, googly eyes. And then I'm going to give it like a half smile. So it's going to be a crookedy smile going to the side like this, like almost like a cheeky smile. Like that. Okay? And what we're going to do, boys and girls, we're going to add some white paint to show the little needles on the cactus plant. So I got some white, and I've got my fine little paintbrush, and I'm just gonna put you know the points on the cactus plant. It's like a V shape. I don't know if you've ever noticed it, you know. So we're gonna put like it all over the plant. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my V's wherever, you know, to make it look like a cactus plant, basically, boys and girls. We're going to put it all over the place, so yeah. You know what I've forgotten to put, boys and girls? Can you guess? Blushy, yes, I forgot to put the blushy. So let me just finish put the needles or the sharp pokey parts of the cactus. It's very prickly, so we're just going to put that in. Alright, I think that's good, right? So I am going to, I think what I want to add while I'm at it, I want to add a lovely like pinky blushy for the cheeks. So you know what, I'm going to put this white color to show the blushy on the cheeks like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and add pink to it. And there you have it, almost done, boys and girls. And you know, you get some really cute cactus plants that have a really pretty little flower, pink flower. So I'm going to go ahead and stick a lovely little pink flower right in the middle of that finger here. And yeah, I'm going to, let me just add white glue stick to it, and so we just paint the tippy end like that, and then we do the same on this. So we're going to put a tippy on the end like that, so that when both of them meet, they are going to stick very nicely like that. And then for the center of our flower, let's go and choose a lovely pom-pom. So I'm going to choose a lovely yellow pom-pom like this, and I'm going to stick it right here. So I'm going to add some glue like that, and I'm going to stick this down like that, and I'm going to put a weight on it, a lovely weight like a stone, a small stone or something, to keep it on top like that. Try to keep it on top. Don't move. Right. Good. And while it's drying, I'm going to go ahead and write Happy Mother's Day right here. So I'm going to use the marker, and I'm going to write Happy Mother's and then we have day right here. All right, and I think that would be it for our design. So let's leave it to dry, and I'll see you in a moment. So there it is, boys and girls. Happy Mother's Day. I can't wait to see your beautiful card that you're going to design for your mummy. So please share with me when you're done, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.